Namaste, dear readers. Today let us talk about a festival full of joy and color. A festival that chases away the winter blues and welcomes the warmth of spring. A festival that reminds us of the victory of good over evil. Can you guess? Yes, we are talking about Holi. Holi is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. It is a time for laughter, fun, and togetherness. Families and friends come together to celebrate this joyous occasion. They smear each other with colors, sing songs, and dance to the beat of drums. The vibrant colors of Holi are a sight to behold. They represent the arrival of spring and the blossoming of new life. From bright reds and yellows to cool blues and greens, every color tells a story. Every color fills our hearts with happiness. Holi is deeply rooted in mythology. There are many fascinating stories associated with this festival. One of the most popular legends is about the demon king Hiranyakashipu and his devout son Prahlad. Hiranyakashipu wanted everyone to worship him, but Prahlad refused. He was a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Angry, Hiranyakashipu tried to kill Prahlad. He even asked his sister Holika for help. Holika had a magical shawl that protected her from fire. She tricked Prahlad into sitting on a pyre with her. But Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad, and Holika was burnt to ashes. The burning of Holika symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. Another popular legend is the love story of Radha and Krishna. It is said that Krishna, who had a dark complexion, playfully complained to his mother about Radha's fair skin. His mother suggested he smear Radha's face with color. And so, the playful tradition of applying color on Holi began. While the spirit of Holi remains the same, different regions of India have their own unique ways of celebrating this vibrant festival. In North India, people celebrate with great fervor, throwing colors and water balloons. In Maharashtra, it is known as Rang Panchami and celebrated on the 5th day after the full moon. Down south, in Tamil Nadu, Holi is celebrated as a harvest festival. People thank the gods for a bountiful harvest. In West Bengal, it is called Dol Purnima and celebrated with songs and dances dedicated to Lord Krishna and Radha. The diverse traditions of Holi make it a truly pan-Indian celebration. The day before Holi, we celebrate Holika Dahan. A bonfire is lit, signifying the victory of good over evil. People gather around the bonfire, sing songs, and offer prayers. It is a time for reflection and renewal. Delicious treats are an integral part of Holi. Gujia, a sweet dumpling filled with koya and dry fruits, is a Holi favorite. Thandai, a refreshing drink made with milk, almonds, and spices, is another Holi special. These traditional dishes add flavor and sweetness to the festive cheer. Did you know that the colors of Holi have a scientific connection too? In the olden days, Holi colors were made from natural ingredients like flowers, turmeric, and sandalwood. These natural colors are not only vibrant, but also good for our skin. For example, turmeric has antiseptic properties, and sandalwood has a cooling effect. Holi also coincides with the arrival of spring. The change in season brings a sense of freshness and rejuvenation. The bright colors of Holi reflect the vibrant colors of nature in bloom. While Holi is a time for fun and revelry, it is also important to celebrate responsibly. In recent years, there has been growing awareness about the use of harmful chemicals in Holi colors. These chemicals can cause skin allergies and environmental pollution. Let us all pledge to celebrate Holi in an eco-friendly manner. We can use natural organic colors that are safe for our skin and the environment. We can also save water by playing Holi in a dry manner or using minimal water. Remember, a little effort from each of us can go a long way in protecting our planet. Holi is not just a festival of colors, it is a celebration of life itself. It teaches us the importance of forgiveness, unity, and love. On this day, people forget their differences and come together to celebrate. Holi also marks the beginning of spring, a time for new beginnings. It is a time to let go of the past and embrace the future with hope and optimism. So this Holi, let us all open our hearts to the spirit of joy, togetherness, and new beginnings. Let us celebrate responsibly and make this Holi a memorable one for all the right reasons. Happy Holi!